Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to take payments on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log into my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this website button below the website you want to start taking payments on. Now go to Settings, then Selling, and click on Payments. There are three payment methods you can use to start taking payments on Stripe. And in this video, we will focus on PayPal. Click on Connect or the PayPal logo. This new window pops up. Fill in your email address and select your country or region from the list. Then click on Next. Fill in again your PayPal account email and password. Click on Login. And now you have an account and you've successfully integrated PayPal with Squarespace. Before I continue, I want to let you know that your PayPal or the PayPal account that you should integrate with Squarespace should be a PayPal business and not a personal PayPal account. But you can easily turn a personal PayPal account into a business one. Just search for a tutorial online. It's simple. Click on Go back to Squarespace. You need to update your billing agreement. To do that, click on Update and Continue. Click on Agree and Pay. And don't worry, you are not paying anything here. As you see, customers now can pay you using PayPal and also Venmo. Click on Payments. And next to PayPal, you got a new status which is connected. Before I wrap this video, I want to see how my visitors will see my payment method. Close this window, go to the preview mode from this corner. I already have a store on this Squarespace website. Let's try to buy this wallet, for example. Click on Add to Cart and click on this Checkout button. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Fill in your email or your test email, click on continue. This is my delivery method. Click on continue. And from now on, I can take payments on this Squarespace using this PayPal. When my customers try to pay with PayPal, a new window pops up and they need to log into their PayPal account to pay me. And this is how to take payments on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.